In this video, I'm going to be going over what is second person point of view. This is the angle from which the story is being told from the you point of view. The story is telling the story that you did. This is where you become the central character in the story. This creates a story that provides a more immersive feel. Don't forget to check out my kids' books that are located on Amazon and on Kindle. These are two kids' books and they are already self published. So take a look at them. And if you have Kindle, you get them for free. This will enhance the reader's sense of what's at stake by making them the center of the story. If you guys are getting valuable information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. Now let's jump back into the video, guys. Second person point of view is popular in the choose your own adventure style of books. This is where the reader determines where the story goes by which page they turn to next. Example: the attic floors creak above you. You sit and wonder if you should go up there or just hope the noise stops. The footsteps move down the stairs. Your grip tightens on your blanket.
Please don't forget me.
Homework: use my example and continue the story. Keep it in the second person point of view and comment it below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got a lot of content about what second person point of view is, and hopefully the example works well, and hopefully I can see your comments down below for the homework assignment. If you want to continue your creative writing lessons, feel free to select any playlist or video above me, and don't forget to hit that follow and subscribe button. The QR code will take you to my books that I personally published on Amazon and Kindle, so take a look at them, and I will see you guys on my next creative writing video. Thank you, guys.